Good morning, students. Today we are going to learn lesson number 15, the memorable ceremony. Why did Shivaji have himself crowned? Young Shivaji took oath of Swaraj in the temple of Raireshwar with his friends. The way of Swaraj was not easy. He had to face great difficulties, but he overcame them all. Many brave men like Baji Prabhu, Murar Baji, Tanaji Malusare shed their blood for the Swaraj. And the result, the new kingdom was respected and feared. With a view that having this kingdom recognized by all, Shivaji decided to have himself crowned. After 100 years, a king was born in Maharashtra who established Swaraj, who treated all equally. Shivaji Maharaj decided to establish Swaraj not for himself. He did it only for his people, for his subjects. He did it to give the newly founded Swaraj a firm footing, the capital of Swaraj. Shivaji selected Raigad as the capital of his kingdom. Raigad was a strong hill fort. He visited Pratapgarh and took the blessings of goddess Bhavani. He presented to the temple a canopy for goddess Bhavani. Preparations for the coronation. Shivaji Maharaj ordered a golden throne for himself, which was studded with precious stones, and put a white umbrella over it. Invitations were sent to the princes, kings, Brahmins, sardars, and officers. Gaga Bhatt. Gaga Bhatt was the chief priest of the ceremony and came from Varanasi. He originally was from Paitan but had settled in Varanasi. He was a great scholar. Now all the preparations were almost done by Shivaji Maharaj. Near about 50,000 people gathered at Raigad. The coronation ceremony. The coronation day was done. It was a very auspicious day. It was a very special day for all. Musicians were playing instruments, singers were singing. The whole atmosphere was filled with joy. Shivaji Raje sat on a golden seat. A canopy and the fans were held over his head. The priests were carrying vessels of ghee, dahi, and honey. Gaga Bhatt himself carried a gold vessel filled with the rivers of 7 rivers. And the name of the rivers are Ganga, Sindhu, Yamuna, Godavari, Krishna, Narmada, and Kaveri. And of the sea, Gaga Bhatt held the vessel over Shivaji's head and recited the coronation mantras. The water started dripping over Shivaji's head. After that, he took blessings of Jizamata. Jizamata held him close embrace because her eyes filled with tears. When she embraced Shivaji Maharaj, her eyes filled with tears because her 30 years efforts had last borne fruit. The dream she nursed at last come true. The tears were the tears of joy and satisfaction. After this, Shivaji Raje sat on the throne. Maharani Soirabai and priest Sambhaji Raje sat next to him. His 8 ministers stood on either side. Gaga Bhatt held the canopy over Shivaji Maharaj's head and said Victory be to Chhatrapati, new crowned king, the ornament of the race of the warriors. The whole atmosphere were filled with joy and happiness. The whole Maharashtra echoed with Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai, Shivaji Maharaj ki Jai. This coronation took place in 1674. This coronation ceremony took place in 1674. And from this year, remember, from this year, Shivaji Maharaj started a new calendar, and the name of the calendar was the Coronation Calendar. He stuck his own coins. Some foreign envoys were present at the coronation ceremony. British envoy Oxenden was present. The whole world came to know of this big event. Shivaji's fame spread everywhere. In this way, Shivaji Maharaj became Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Thank you.